In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Chrome to the taskbar in Windows 11. There are two simple ways to do this in Windows 11, and both lead to the same result. The first method uses Start Menu Search. Click the Start button in the center of the taskbar. When a Start menu opens, go to the search box and type Chrome. Say the word naturally as you enter it, Chrome, Chrome. As the search results appear, look for Google Chrome in the list. Right-click Google Chrome in the search results. This opens a small menu with more actions for the app. In that menu, click Pin to Taskbar. As soon as you do that, the Chrome icon appears on your taskbar, which means it has been added there for quick access. The second method works if Chrome is already open and running on your computer. Open Google Chrome from your desktop or from the Start menu. Once Chrome launches, you will see the Chrome icon on the taskbar because the app is currently open. Right-click that Chrome icon on the taskbar. A menu will appear with options for that running app. Click Pin to Taskbar. After you click it, the Chrome icon stays on the taskbar permanently, even after you close the browser. That means it is no longer there only because Chrome is open. It is now pinned in place for future use. At this point, Google Chrome is pinned to the Windows 11 taskbar. You can launch Chrome with a single click anytime, without searching for it again. The icon remains on the taskbar after closing Chrome, and it also stays there after restarting the computer. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To quickly recap the flow without changing anything, the first method is to use Start, search for Chrome, right-click Google Chrome, and choose Pin to Taskbar. The second method is to open Chrome first, then right-click its taskbar icon, and click Pin to Taskbar. Both methods do the same thing inside Windows 11, and once the icon is pinned, it remains available directly on the taskbar whenever you need to open the browser.